How's everybody doing? Welcome to my channel. First test drive of my flight with my new drone. Don't mind the choppiness just a little bit. Video's not too bad. Definitely, there's no audio of course, but it was a tiny bit windy and I wasn't used to stabilizing it. See me waving there? But all in all, it did go into the snowbank at the end, which didn't hurt it though. Just got to get used to the left and right joysticks area to get things going. But all in all, I'm happy it worked out well. Wait till it dries up a little bit. I don't want to put it in the snowbank or puddles that are on the ground. The weather's a little cool too, but first time for everything. I just don't mind the shakiness of the video, back and forth and rocking, but I thought I did not too bad, first time. Wait till I get used to it probably before I take it on a camping trip and going over a lake. I don't really want to take it over a lake and going down. I was in the parking lot of a high school there. It was pretty clear, but there's trees in the back of it too. And once you go out a little bit too far and you try to turn it around, well, me anyway, first time doing it, it's got a little shaky. But I mean, the video looks pretty good. They're going forward there. And then trying to turn it around sometimes. See, one stick you go up and down, and then it verges left and right. And the other stick, you go back and forth. And it can come back to and land. And like I say, just got to get used to the controls on it there for a while. But first time, I went up there for half an hour. And first it would take off and come back down. I said, what's going on with this? So I checked it out, and I guess I got two batteries with it. One battery, I think they last 20 minutes each. So that one was pretty well dead. I didn't charge that one. And once I put a full battery in, then it took right off when you lift it off, and you could go up and down and move it around. So trial and error, that's what it is, trial and error. So I just thought I'd put this little clip up first time. Me checking it out and putting it in the sky and flying around. Video there, that's the snowbank there, where she come down in. And when it wasn't far from where I was, but I had to go over a little embankment there, and I had seen it upside down in the snow. But I found it anyway. Like I say, it wasn't far. Yeah, so I got over the bank. It was up to my knees anyway. But once I get up and over it and around, I was right there in them little bushes a bit. And you can see in the video it kept going. It was looking up in the sky there for a minute. So she was ready to be found. Lost for a minute, but not too far, It's going over the bank. I think it was by that tree there. Just looking for a better spot to climb over here now. And up and over the bank, which wasn't good. Bad. Oh, it was good a little. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Appreciate you. Thank you.